Grow your own antioxidants in the garden. It's fantastic to know that you can strengthen your body using fruits and vegetables grown in your own garden. Antioxidants are essential in the battle against cancer, aging, and heart disease. By eating from your own garden, you can establish your own healthy eating habits and stick to them. Not only is it more cost-effective, but you also have control over all of the unneeded chemicals used in produce production. In short, you know what you're consuming in each bite. Here's a list of the most antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables you can cultivate in your garden. 1. Blueberries. They are pest-free and may be cultivated in any part of the continental United States. You will enjoy blueberries throughout summer and into the fall if you choose a combination of varieties that mature early, mid, and late in the growing season. The smaller varieties can even be grown inside. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli offers more vitamin C than citrus fruits. It is a hardy vegetable that thrives in the cooler months of the year. In most locations of the United States, 2 crops per year, spring and fall, are conceivable. 3. Beans. Choose a bean that grows well in your region, although the richest in antioxidants are pinto beans, kidney beans, and dried red beans. Bean plants are fast-growing annual vegetables that are best planted in the spring. 4. Plums. Plums include vitamins A, C and K, which help the body absorb iron more effectively. The best plums to acquire are black plums, which require less care when growing. Black plums, which have a sweet and tart flavor, are high in nutrients and can help prevent a variety of ailments. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes include lycopene, an antioxidant that isn't found in a lot of other foods. They can thrive in practically any environment and produce well if given lots of sunlight and water. 6. Garlic. Vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, and selenium are all included in this superfood. Garlic is surprisingly easy to cultivate and is best planted in the fall in most climates. 7. Apples. Apples are one of the best antioxidant foods and are simple to grow. Varieties with the most antioxidants include Granny Smith and Red Delicious. No need to plant a whole orchard, 2 trees will reward any family with enough fruit to enjoy and share with friends. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.